Hi, and for this video, we're going to show you how to use the Windows screen recorder on Windows 11. Now there's a shortcut you can use. It is Windows Shift S, and it will open this up. Now I have a recording on my phone as well to capture the UI of the recorder. Now this is a snapshot. So as you can see, this is our snipping tool, but we have to open the snipping tool again because what we're going to use is this video logo right here, and it will record any portion of the screen. And for example, I've selected this part of the screen. Anything that happens in this portion of the screen will be recorded. The system audio on that will record it as well. And this may be a new feature, but you can also record audio from a mic as well if you have one connected, such as in my case, the mic I'm using right now is connected, so it shows up as an option I can use. However, I will leave it mute for this video. Now let's start recording. There is a 3-second countdown, and as you can see, it shows a border of red dots in the recording area, and you can even pause the recording on the fly if you need to be away for a bit or set up what you need to do and you want to save up space so you don't record any blank footage. Now you can resume that, and once you're done recording, you can simply press this stop recording button here, and it automatically brings us to this screen, which lets us review our recording. As you can see, the UI is not there, and if you have Clipchamp, you can also directly edit it over there. However, I use a different editor, and to find that, we can close this, go over to our Explorer tab, go to Videos, and then Screen Recordings right here, and there you go. This is our most recent screen recording, and you can edit that on any video editor you prefer. However, to access the options of the snipping tool, we'll have to search it over in the search bar down here. Let's type in snipping tool, and once here, we can go over to these 3 dots icon over at the corner, go to settings, and here are various options we can change. I personally find it important to set the output folder to a custom folder when I'm working. You can set it to record with the mic by default. Now alternatively, we can also use the free Xbox Game Bar. Sometimes it's Xbox Game Bar. In my case here, I have to search simply Game Bar. Now, I believe that the current screen recorder I'm using is not capturing the Game Bar UI, but you can also use this to record your screen. It can also record with a mic, and there are several different options you can use. Now, the main difference is this is primarily for gaming, so there are times where you have to fiddle with the settings here for the game bar to know what is a game and what isn't, and certain programs just don't get recorded. And as a last note, there are a lot of different free screen recording softwares out on the app stores or on the Microsoft stores. However, you'll have to sort through the reviews. I personally use this right here, OBS for work. It's pretty simple and there are a lot of options. It's completely free as well and rather robust. However, it doesn't record some of the other screen recorders UIs, and hence why some of the footage is on phone. This is where you can get OBS if you prefer, and we may come up with a different video for covering other screen recorders and or video editors. But for now, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.